Nalli Nihari, a popular breakfast delicacy of the working class of Lucknow, which gained significant popularity right up to the Nawabs of the Mughal Empire. So let's see how to make this delicious Nihari. Before that, I'm Vijita. Welcome you to my channel, #The World Menu. So without any delay, let's begin. Let's begin with frying the onions. Here I've taken 5 tablespoons of ghee and 2 tablespoons of oil, to which I'm adding 7 onions thinly sliced. Fry the onions till it turns dark brown. Meanwhile, let's prepare Nihari Ka Masala. In a pan, add 1 tablespoon of jeera, 1 tablespoon of sauf, 1 teaspoon of Shah Jeera, 5 Kashmiri red chili, 1 inch cinnamon, 2 mace, 1 star anise, and 3 long peppers. This is one of the main ingredients. Try your best to lay your hands on long peppers. If not, you may add 1 teaspoon of whole black pepper, 4 green cardamoms, half teaspoon of long, half teaspoon of whole spice, which is also called as kebab chini. This is again one of the main ingredients. 2 black cardamom, 1 small piece of nutmeg, 3 bay leaves, and 1 tablespoon of coriander seed. Saute for a couple of minutes till the spices release a nice aroma. Now switch off the flame and add 1 teaspoon of poppy seeds, 1 teaspoon of dry ginger powder. Mix this well and let this cool completely, and grind this into a fine powder. You can make this in large quantity and this can easily go for a couple of months. You can also add this in vegetarian dishes. Our onions have caramelized really well. Now we'll add the meat. Here I've taken 1.5 kg of mutton. Sear the mutton on high flame for 7 minutes till it turns a brown color like this. To this, add 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and 2 tablespoons of the stems of coriander. Mix this well. Saute till the raw smells of the ginger garlic goes off. It will take a couple of minutes on high flame. Thereafter, add the masalas. Here I have added 4 tablespoons of the grounded masala that we prepared and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Saute for a couple of minutes. Now turn the flame to low and add 2 teacups of yogurt. Give it a nice mix and cook till the oil separates. It will take a couple of minutes on low flame. The oil has separated. Now we'll add the water. I will be adding 1 liter of hot water. Give it a nice mix. Cover the lid and cook for half an hour on low flame. After half an hour, we'll add 1 more tablespoon of the grounded masala and 1 teaspoon of salt. Remember to add salt towards the end. Cover the lid and again cook for half an hour. In all, it will take 1.5 hours for the mutton to be completely cooked. To this, I'll be adding more tablespoons of the grounded masala. So after every half an hour, keep on adding 1 tablespoon or 2 tablespoons of the grounded masala. So for 1.5 kg of mutton, I have used 6 to 7 tablespoons of grounded masalas. Now we'll prepare a wheat paste which we'll be adding to the gravy, which will make the gravy thick and wholesome. So in all, I have taken 3 tablespoons of wheat flour, to which I have added water to bring it into this consistency. This is how the consistency should look like. Our mutton has cooked really well. I checked in between. Make sure the entire cooking is on low flame. Now what we'll do is we'll remove this rich layer of oil and keep it aside. Once we add the wheat paste will absorb all the oil, which will make the gravy to lose its richness, and we'll add back the oil during the garnishing. I have removed a good amount of the oil. Now I've added the wheat paste. Mix this immediately and keep on stirring for 7 minutes on medium flame so that no lumps are formed. Add a pinch of sugar to balance the flavors. So here it is, our delicious Nalli Nihari is ready to be served. You can enjoy this with pulao, jeera rice. You can also tame it up with chapati. It goes really well with naan. So do try this delicious Nalli Nihari, though it is a long process but worth the try. Hope you have liked the recipe. Request you to please subscribe to my channel so you'll get notified on my further videos. Also request you to please like and share. Thank you for tuning in. See you soon.